I'm here at the Renaissance Aruba Wind Creek, and this is the Marina building, which is adult only. And this has been recently renovated within the past 2 years, and it's really, really well done. I love all the details here. Let me get a little bit closer. I love that. So again, I'm in the adult only Marina building, which you'll see in just a second. We have a French balcony here, and I'm going to try to open this so you can see out onto the balcony here and the views. So there's the marina right there, and everything is within walking distance. You have incredible restaurants, high-end shops. There's the airport is right there. So you're only maybe, I don't know, 10-12 minutes from the airport. And what's really cool is all the way over there where that plane's landing, 10-minute boat ride, is their own private island. So unless you stay here, you're not getting on that island. They do offer a few day passes, but for the most part it's dedicated to anyone staying at the Renaissance Wind Creek Aruba. And again, this is the adult only building, but there is a family friendly building which is called Ocean Suites, and that's maybe, I don't know, a couple blocks away, 2 minutes away. So there is a family friendly section as well, but this adult only building is really, really cool. The lobby is great. They have an infinity pool. It just has a really good vibe, and I love, again, the reno in here is stunning. So and I have lots of video and pictures from the private island, which is incredible, so I'll share those. I love it. This is my first time here. I've been to Aruba multiple times, but I've never stayed at this resort, and wow, I think it's honestly my new favorite. So lots more to come, but great room.